Today we're learning how to subtract three fractions that have different denominators. Example, 7/7 minus 2/7 minus 1/6. Step 1. Find a common denominator. We multiply all denominators together. 9 times 7 times 6 equals 378. So the common denominator is 378. Step 2. Now we adjust each fraction. For the first fraction, 7/9, multiply both numerator and denominator by the product of the other two denominators. 7 times 6 equals 42. That gives 7 times 42 equals 294 over 9 times 42 equals 378. So we get 294 3/78. For the second fraction, 2/7, multiply both numerator and denominator by 9 times 6 equals 54. That gives 2 times 54 equals 108 over 7 times 54 equals 378, so we get 108 3/78. For the third fraction, 1/6, multiply both numerator and denominator by 9 times 7 equals 63. That gives 1 times 63 equals 63 over 6 times 63 equals 378, so we get 63 3/78. Now subtract the numerators. 294 minus 108 minus 63 equals 123. So the result is 123 3/78. We can simplify this fraction by dividing top and bottom by 3. That gives 41 126. So the final answer is 41 126. Now, let's try another example. 5/8 minus 1/4 minus 2/9. Find the common denominator. 8 times 4 times 9 equals 288. For 5/8, multiply top and bottom by 4 times 9 equals 36. Result is 180 over 288. For 1/4, multiply top and bottom by 8 times 9 equals 72. So result is 72 over 288. And for 2/9, multiply top and bottom by 8 times 4 equals 32. Result is 64 over 288. Now subtract the numerators. 180 minus 72 minus 64 equals 44. So we get 44 2/88. Simplify by dividing top and bottom by 4. Result is 11/72. Final answer is 11/72. Now it's your turn. Try this one. 7/8 minus 2/5 minus 1/4. Take your time, pause the video if you need to, and when you're done, leave your answer in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Math Made Simple and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss future lessons. Thanks for watching. I'm James, and I'll see you in the next video.